Welcome to the Attic Workshop. A little update. It is now coming up towards middle of September. September the 19th, Wednesday the 19th. And I haven't done hardly any woodworking at all. In England we've had an extremely hot summer and it's caused havoc with me with my heart condition. So I haven't been able to come up here. It's been far too hot to work. Even if I went downstairs, still far too hot to work. So my coffee table hasn't progressed much at all. Now I have got the all put back together. So I've got the two halves joined back together and I've got the leg waterfall part back in place now and all glued up. So that's how far I've got now. I've now got to sand it, finish it off, bevel edges, finish the edges off, put two drawers in underneath because I want some drawer space underneath this coffee table, and I will also, well, that's all I'm going to do to it. There's not going to be a shelf, and I've got to do a leg assembly for it too. Which I think I've decided what I'm going to do regards leg assembly, but you can wait to see what I do with that. It's going to be very simple. So basically a little bit of epoxy resin down the crack that's on the top of the table. It's not particularly wide. It's now got bow ties on it to stop it getting any further, but I will epoxy resin that particular crack. And yeah, I don't know whether I'm actually going to epoxy resin the whole surface of the table. Don't know yet. Might do. Might be nice and shiny. I don't know. It's an oak table, so I really don't know. So here you can just see in the shot, this is the leg. Now the table's laid on my bench here. So this is the state of affairs. This is going to be the longest build coffee table ever. I can't remember when I started it, but it seems like forever. I'll have to look back, but I had to wait for the wood to dry. It has dried out fairly well without too much cracking and splitting. These edges are now beveled. This leg is now parallel with the table. There shouldn't be any chipping out now because I've beveled it all the way around, so any dragging should be alright. So that is the state of affairs. Hopefully I can gradually finish this off now and get back to a little bit of woodworking, but already I'm up here. It's not particularly warm. This is my heart condition. I haven't done anything. I've taken a millimetre off with a plane and I feel like I've done a workout. That's how bad it gets for me. Anyway, I'm sweating already. Probably not going to do any more. And this is how I have to work. Tiny little bits at a time. If you do watch it, I hope you enjoy watching it. It's my trials and tribulations, what I have to go through to get things done. It takes 10-15 times longer than anyone else, but I get there eventually. And the most important thing is I get an immense amount of satisfaction out of it. Thanks for joining me.